dears, in comments I got asked many questions about massage of neckline. Therefore, today we are going to go through some techniques: vacuum massage, GUA SHA, and the plastic massage. We're going to start from the plastic one. For this massage, you should use body oil or any other sliding base. After you applied oil, start moving your hand with slight pressure from the center to the periphery. Slide down by your shoulder. Move on to the other side. After that, we're going to move on to a deeper massage. Put your hand in the middle of your chest and in circular motions move to the shoulder. Main pressure goes through the middle of your fingers. Move through the whole area of your chest. And with the second hand, do the same thing on the other side. The next technique of plastic massage is rolling of a crease or fold. With your fingers, grab both your skin and muscle and start rolling it from the center to the side. Then move your thumb apart and keep rolling, moving upwards. In order to increase skin nutrition, we are going to do a pinching massage, again along the massage lines from the center to the periphery. After that, you're going to improve circulation with a vibrating exercise. Smoothly slide your hand over the area of your chest in order to finish this complex. Next is vacuum massage technique. For this massage we are going to use a vacuum cup. This technique will let you improve skin nutrition in the chest area and get rid of wrinkles. For this massage it's important to apply enough oil. Clamp the cup on the wrinkle area and slide it upwards and to the sides. Repeat it approximately 10 times. Next, slide the cup from the center of your chest to the side along to the armpit. And move on to the other side. And of course, not forgetting the neck itself. Slide the cup along the front side of your neck upwards and slide down along the side of your neck. While moving upwards, it's important to move along the muscle, not going on the area of thyroid gland. This type of massage is not gonna take you long. It's recommended to do this massage for 3 minutes a day. And in order to get rid of wrinkles, you should do it in a complex. And after that, do it just for maintenance once a week. And the third technique is GUA SHA. We are going to use a scrubber, as well as massage oil. Neckline is the continuation of your face, that's why it's important to be as gentle and smooth. With the convex side of the scrubber, massage from the center to the periphery with smooth scraping motions. After that, do one long smooth motion from the center to the periphery. Again, not forgetting about the neck, moving with the scrubber up the neck and going down by the side of your neck. In this video, we went through 3 techniques of neckline massage, but it's up to you which one you are going to choose. In order to achieve the best result, my recommendation would be to do all of those techniques one after another. And remember that your neckline and your face make one picture together, so it's important to treat both of them. If you have any questions left, please write them in comment and we will be happy to answer them. Subscribe to our channel, like this video and recommend it to your friends.